Welcome back to the Weston
and Layla show.
Today we're going to be making those cool little slime balls. They call Ooz-os, okay?
Yeah. See, this one's my favorite one. This one.
Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video on unicorn Ooz-os.
A slime.
We're going to open up our kit and see what's inside. Looks like we have a popsicle stick, some glitter, some packets of so this is activator, and then this is base.
And here's the paint. Look at this paint. It's pink, blue, and green.
And
Blue.
This looks like it's supposed to measure stuff, I'm pretty sure.
We have a measuring cup right here.
And here's a spoon. We're gonna start out of mixing up some base.
8 ounces into the bowl of warm water.
Okay. This looks like powder that you put into a drink that you would drink.
Yeah.
Like you stir it up and then you would drink it.
But it's gross.
But no, this is not edible, I don't think, at least. But we will be doing a week on edible slime, but we're not doing edible slime.
It's gooey. It looks like stuff.
This is really, yeah, it's like gluey. So it's really weird because you just put in water and then you put in this powder and then you mix it all together and then it's just gooey. Like, it's just this weird gooey texture. And now we're gonna leave it overnight.
Tomorrow we're going to make it and we're going to see you later, guys, tomorrow, so bye. So we waited night and now it looks clear now.
It looks really good. I like it. It feels like it looks like glue and feels like glue. Of course, we don't really like feel it with our hands. You can just like tell by when you stir it. Okay, so we're gonna divide it into 3 cups. The base into 3 cups. And then we will put the colors in. Okay.
We're going to put some scoops in.
Okay. We are done dividing it up into our 3 cups.
Now look at that, guys. See that?
Okay, we're gonna put our colors into our cups.
I really get one.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the blue. I mean the green.
Oh, it looks like paint.
Well, because it is paint.
Who's in the back? Oh, looks like, wait, I'm gonna do this one. I'm mixing it up.
I'm mixing up my green.
I'm mixing up pink.
It looks pretty good.
Look at the pink. It looks like pink. I love it.
We're gonna set our colors off to the side, and then now we're gonna add our activator. To mix our activator, we're gonna have 3 warm cups of water into a bowl. And then you're gonna have to pour in your activator powder. Okay.
3
3 cups of warm water. into our bowl. Now, the activator powder. Okay, pouring in our powder activator.
Whoa, that looks so good.
Okay,
Now I'm gonna mix it.
okay, we're gonna add a little bit of each color into here.
Okay, we're now gonna add some glitter.
Okay, we got a lot of glitter in here. Let's see how this turns out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay,
We got that out. Oh, I can see all the colors at the bottom.
yeah, this looks cool, guys. You can see
It
it.
just like sticking there. Okay, we're gonna make another one. Starting with pink. Yeah, without glitter this time.
Yeah, because I got too much glitter. I'm gonna use her for 5 minutes.
No, 5 seconds more. Oh, it looks really cool. Okay.
Oh, looks like rainbow.
There.
Looks like rainbow, guys.
That one turned out way better than this glitter ball.
Yeah, that looks like rainbow.
Yeah, that actually looks like a real one.
Guys, our friend is here, right there. Oh, looks like all green now. Okay.
Yeah, I like experimenting though, because we do experiment.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I don't want to pop one of those because I don't know how easily they pop.
They're probably popping easily.
Oh, he's coming out, he's coming out. There.
Oh, it's kind of destroyed.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh,
No, it's not really destroyed. Okay.
Okay, what's the
Okay,
what's the
so
YouTube?
we can add blue and pink, and then add a little bit of glitter and then mix it together. Those actually, I feel like they can, whoa, they can pop like really easily. But
They're filled with water.
they're like, they have like it's like hard. It's a weird feeling. I love it.
I try to feel it.
Oh, this one that we just made.
I love it.
So weird.
Should
They
I
feel
pop
like they're
it?
fragile.
Should I pop it? I'll squeeze this one.
I
Okay,
wonder if
look.
it'll pop if I took off this.
Come on,
Can we
It
do
has-
it?
come on. Okay, let's go.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Oh, yeah.
This is awesome. You can even see the skin.
Oh, yeah, it's like coming up. Guys, look it.
Oh, this is
Oh,
awesome.
it's turning into real slime, guys.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can put it back in to make another one.
Okay.
This part.
Look, oh, this feels slimy in there. Okay, feel that.
I want to keep my slime.
Me too.
This slime is like feels cool.
Okay, he's going, oh,
Too
look at
cool.
that.
This is so cool.
Sure,
Slime are coming out.
Try to pop this one, guys.
Yeah, pop it, pop it, pop it.
Okay. It's probably my favorite so far right now.
Looks like green already. I'm gonna pop this one.
So much
No, I
slime.
got this one to pop.
I love slime.
Guys, look at this. Rainbow!
Guys, I love this slime.
Shiny rainbow. Shiny rainbow. Should I pop this one? Should I pop this one, Weston?
Guys, it just slid down my hand.
Look at this rain.
This is how I usually play slime and mix it up into like just. I want to pop that one. Can I pop it?
It's hanging by 2 threads.
I want to pop it.
Just let it soak for just a little bit more. Let him enjoy his freedom
This feels
until he
like-
has more freedom.
This feels like greeny.
I'm
Green.
going to pop this one.
Green slime.
Yes,
That's green. That's green. That's green. This is green slime, guys.
Barely even made, so I just popped it.
Look at this disaster.
Oh my. Wait a second.
There you go.
I
Yay!
want to try the purple one.
This is like, oh my.
Oh! Oh!
Okay,
That was so
wow.
much.
Just look at
Weston,
this.
I think you put in way too much
It's
in there.
glitter. Look at this
Oh,
glitter.
no, I didn't.
Oh, look at this.
Look at this tiny pink one.
Don't pop that. Look at this little one.
There's so much madness in it. Okay, that was amazing. So, those are really fun. So when you put them in the activator and
Stuff.
the ooze and whatever,
Yeah.
it kind of forms like a shell around the ball.
Yeah.
Or like around like the slime, and then like you can squish them, and then if you squeeze them too hard, they'll just like pop, and then slime will come out.
Yeah. See it?
And if you put them in there again, then they will form again. Except if you keep on doing that, they might just turn into skin.
Yeah.
So
So you won't feel the slimeness.
yeah, it'll just be like skin, like the slime skin.
Yeah, it was awesome. Oh, you guys enjoy yourself. Please like
Subscribe to our channel, comment down below, and we'll see you guys later.
on the Weston and Layla show. Dinner.